Hi guys, welcome to another video by the GMAT guy. We're going to solve a problem in this one. It's a problem solving question from the topic of overlapping sets. Let's crack on with it. College T has 1,000 students. Okay, so we've got a total of 1,000. I still don't know whether it's a 2-group problem or a 3-group problem. Of the 200 students majoring in one or more of the sciences, 130 are majoring in chemistry and 150 are majoring in biology. Okay, so we've got 2 groups till now. I quickly zoom through the rest of the statement. There's no 3rd group, so it's a 2-group problem. Okay, great. So I've got a 2-group problem. I'm going to draw a grid. Okay. Now here the total might not be 1,000 because it says of the 200 students majoring in one or more of the sciences. So I already know that, okay, maybe then the number of students, let's take a look. Let's see. Alright, so we've got biology, yes or no, chemistry, yes or no. So we put one. If you're really struggling and if you're a beginner in this topic, you take one group, you read chemistry. Some people are majoring in chemistry, some are majoring in biology. So I've read only till here. Okay, I've read the question only till here where the pen mark is, and I have already understood there's a 2-group problem. Till now, and I've already made this. Okay, chemistry. Either a student will major in chemistry, yes or no. They will major in biology, yes or no. Okay. Now I know the total for chemistry is 130. So 130 do major in chemistry, 150 do major in biology. Okay, because that yes row for biology, the first row, the total will go at the outside, on the outside of the 4. The 4 blocks in the center are your core blocks where we will put the numbers later. Okay, so I guess the total is 200 because 200 are majoring in one or more of the sciences. So out of these 250, if 150 are majoring in biology, the remaining 50 are not. And out of these 200, if 130 are majoring in chemistry, then 70 are not. If at least 30 of the students are not majoring in either chemistry or biology, so at least 30, so we know that this number is above 30, which means neither chemistry nor biology. Okay, so it's a range problem again. Then the number of students majoring in both chemistry and biology could be any from what to what. Okay, so we are looking for this block. I'm going to put a question mark here, and we're looking for a range. Okay, so one way to do this is that okay, what I'm going to do is, I know that based on this grid, on the boundaries on the outside, the totals, I know that this block minimum would be 30, right? It's at least. So this is minimum is 30, okay, and maximum is 50, right? Because the total cannot be, how can the row add up to be 50, and yet one of the block is more than 50? That's not possible, right? So that's kind of limits your minimum and maximum value for this block. We're going to use that. So I'm going to use the next slide. So what happens is that if this is 70 and here is 50, if you put in 30 here, you get 40, and that was 150, the total here. You subtract 150 minus 140, you get 110. So that's your maximum value. Okay, you can check it as well. 130 minus 20 should give you 110, so it makes sense. So our answer should have 110, so it's between D or E. Okay, now one more plugging and we will know the answer. So if you plug in here 50, the maximum value, minimum I did on the next slide, then you get 0, and this is 130, and that's your other range. Yeah, so I kind of made a mistake here. I said that 110 is the maximum value. No, it was the minimum, and 130 is the maximum, so your answer is D. And that's it. That's how you use the grid. The idea was not to actually look at a range problem per se. I didn't know that this question was going to be a range problem. I just wanted to show how to set up the grid and how to start attacking this kind of a problem. Okay, I hope that got conveyed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.